Today I'll show you how to make a bouncing ball in Scratch, but on top view. As you can see, if I make the ball move, it will bounce with top view instead of the normal side view. So let's get started. First, delete the cat and paint a sprite. Name it Ball. Then, use the circle tool. Make the fill any color you want, and then create the circle. Now, make it a good size, and same with the outline. Then if you want, use the brush tool, make the fill nothing, and then create a nice shiny ball effect. Something like this. Now, when green flag is clicked, create 4 new variables called X for this sprite only, Y for this sprite only, Z for this sprite only, and lastly gravity for the sprite only. Now set gravity, X, Y, and Z to 0, then go to 0, 0, then forever, change gravity by -1, and then change Z by gravity. Then, if Z is less than 0, then set Z to 0 and set gravity to gravity times -0.8. Now, for the movement, actually for wall collision, set X and set Y to X times 0.95 and Y times 0.95. Then change X by X and change Y by Y. Now, in between these, if touching edge, then change X by X times X times -2. So change X by X times -2, and then set X to X times -1. Then duplicate this, and then do it for Y instead. Like this. Now, then turn by X subtracted by Y, and now finally change size by, and then 100 since it's the default size, plus Z subtracted by size, and then divide by 3. This is the main thing, and then this is to just smooth it. Now, if Z is less than 10. Then another if touching mouse pointer. Then create a new variable named hit force for all sprites. Set hit force to pick random 10 to 30. Then point towards mouse pointer. Set Z to 100. Then change X by, then a multiply times -1, another multiply, and another. Actually not. Then put in sign of direction times hit force times -1. Then change y by cosine of direction times hit force times -1. Then lastly, to make the wall collision more smooth, add in a if on edge bounce down here. Now if you test it, as you can see, it creates a nice bounce effect on top view. Now you have a nice ball bounce effect on top view in Scratch. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.